The Accounting Insights Power BI framework for three-way financial statements provides practical professional development for accountants who would like to fast-track their Power BI skills in financial reporting. The framework comprises two things. Firstly, a structured training program, and secondly, a fully working three-way template based on that training program that you can take and adapt to your own particular needs. Before we get into that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been working full-time with Power BI, producing financial reports since January 2015. Yes, that's actually since before the official release of Power BI. I've delivered projects, training and coaching for accountants in practice and in industry in 12 countries across 3 continents. And through that experience that spans nearly 10 years, I've developed this robust framework for building automated financial statements that I use in my own projects. The training takes you from the essential concepts of accounting and Power BI through to the finishing touches of great reports and financial statements. It comprises 12 weekly 3-hour instructor-led sessions, and these are broken down further into 56 discrete lessons. Now, financial statements have many subtleties that at first seem quite challenging for Power BI, but they're not really if you know how to address them. And of course, these are things that we'll cover in the training. But that's not all, because Power BI also introduces many opportunities to present your financial statements in ways that you've never done before. Training is online and instructor-led by me. There are plenty of opportunities for questions and discussions as we go. I focus a lot on the concepts and why we're doing things in a particular way to help you get a real understanding. Where we have core repeating patterns that you will use time and again, we go through these in detail. Each of the 56 lessons is recorded, and you'll have online access to those recordings for 12 months after the training. I deliver the training across 3 time zones in 12 3-hour weekly sessions, giving you maximum flexibility to attend the sessions at the time that suits you best. All students can join any session. By attending the course, you'll get a framework for building three-way financial statements and a good understanding of why the framework is built the way it is. You'll have foundation skills and patterns to use in your own custom reports, and a fully working three-way template that you can adjust to your own particular requirements. Ideally, you'll have some experience with Power BI already, but you don't need to be an expert.